In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color code your emails in Microsoft Outlook. This feature is a fantastic way to organize your inbox more efficiently, making it a breeze to find important messages at a glance. So let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need access to Microsoft Outlook, so open up your web browser and head to the official Microsoft Outlook website. Once you're there, you'll notice a sign in option located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. It's time to enter your email address and password in order to sign in to your Outlook account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself in the familiar territory of your Outlook inbox. Now, to start the color coding process, identify the email you want to categorize, right-click on this email and a context menu will appear with several options. What you're looking for here is the categorize option, so move your cursor and hover over it. Hovering over Categorize will expand another menu showing you different color categories. Each color represents a distinct category, and you can select the one that best suits the categorization system you want to implement. Click on the desired color and you'll notice a small colored square next to the email indicating that it has been successfully categorized. You can use these colors for various purposes. For instance, you may choose red for urgent matters, blue for informational emails, or green for tasks related to work. The idea is to create a visual system that helps you quickly identify and prioritize your emails. Now, a little tip for when you're setting up your color categories: consistency is key. Make sure to apply the same color coding rules across all your emails to keep things straightforward and organized. Over time, as you get used to your system, navigating through your inbox will become a seamless experience. So there you have it, a simple yet effective way to bring order to your Outlook inbox using color coding. By following these steps, you'll be able to manage your emails far more effectively, helping you stay on top of your communications with ease. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more such productivity tips. Have a great day managing your emails, and I'll see you in the next video.